Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, IELTS and PT Booster. If you are preparing for PT exam and struggling with summarized spoken, written lecture, for note taking tricks and tips, so here you are in the right place. On this channel, I will share simple strategies, easy note taking tricks, and real PT style practice to help you boost your speaking and listening scores with confidence. So, no stress, no complicated rules, just clear tips, smart techniques, and regular practice to help you succeed faster. So, grab your notebook and hit the subscribe button. So, let's start my video. So, here's you should use symbol and short form when you note down the keywords for summarized spoken test and written lecture. So, here is the symbol and here's meaning. Leads to you should wrote down this type of the word increase or decrease like those symbol percentage only sign example only short form problem short form solution short form. So written lecture note how to take notes, focus only four things. First of all, topic, what about the topic, and three main points, one example or result, then conclusion. So here is a sample. Climate change is the main topic, and temperature ice melt is point. Point to sea level increase, and coastal cities is an example. And conclusion is urgent action. So here is a speaking template just for just for example. So you can use as it like the lecture mainly talks about main topic. Firstly, the speaker will explain that point one. Secondly, mention that point two. Then example or result. Then conclusion. Please speak smoothly, not too much fast, and don't stop even if you forget or paraphrase. Just paraphrase the line. And grammar can be simple and fluency matters more. So, how to take notes SST? Write in a logic order, like main topic, point, then second point after that result. Like here is main topic, online education, flexible, low cost, and global access. Don't need to write full sentences. Don't write numbers exactly, write approx, and don't panic if you miss any one point. So here is some topic nouns. So these are very important. You should more focus on noun as compared to like adjective, adverb, or any verb. So you should mostly focus on noun, education, technology, environment, economy, healthcare, culture, science, communication, transportation, psychology. So these are a process action noun like development, growth, change, improvement, reduction, production, increment, innovation, evolution, or expansion. The lecture explained the development of renewable energy. Cause or effect noun, very scoring. So these type of the noun very effective for SST. Like cause noun factor, reasons, causes, challenges, issues, problems, and effect noun like result, impact, effects, outcome, consequences, benefits. So here is an example you can read or uh, write on the notebooks. Here is research academic nouns. You can see here is some example of it. And here is written lecture example with So here is a sport noun like example, case, illustration, tense, experiment, that type of. Here is a problem and solution noun. You can see, you can note down. So here is noun only notes, urbanization, pollution and growth, problem, pollution and housing, solution planning and policy, and result sustain. So it is a main topic is urbanization. And what is the cause? Pollution, growth. And problem, if pollution, growth, then problem will be pollution and housing. And solution of it, planning and policy. And result, sustainability. So this is the main method, main trick to do written lecture and SST. So here is some safe noun. You can use anytime, anywhere in the SST and the written lecture. So you can note down this one. So here is some safe verb partners like lecture, discuss, study shows or suggest. Research always indicates, factor, fact, issue, causes or creates, a result leads to, solution, reduce or improve, policy addresses. And if you forget anything for fluency, you can use these type of fillers like overall, another point, and never stop speaking. And if stuck, repeat last noun or new one. Like another point is the impact, which affects society. And no need to write down the full sentences. No need article like a and the sentence marker or exact numbers. So you should always use keywords, nouns, arrows, and symbol. Memorize long templates. You should avoid writing everything you hear. No, using rare vocabulary, speaking too fast. So these type of the common mistake you should avoid and focus on clear noun, logical flow, calm voice, and simple grammar. And you can use this type of word to present the sentence like explains, highlights, shows. Don't, you should no need to use past or future. Avoid that type of things for safe SST line. The lecture explains the main factors and the impact. No need to guess if you forget anything. No need to write down. And after that, these are key noun to repeat: problem, impact, process, system, certain. You can repeat these type of noun. These are natural repetition words. And you have to no need to again and again repeat like explains, explains, explain, like lecture explain technology, lecture explain development, lecture explain improvement. So that type of words you should not repeat again and again, like here, same word repeat. So explains, explains, explain. No, use safe verb, discuss, highlights, shows, describes. You can repeat nouns and change verb or sentence openers. So here is, you can see the lecture discuss climate change. Another point highlights its impact. Overall, the talk shows the need for action. So I have another things like So here is some examples. You can see or read carefully. So I wanna show you. Here is a safe connectors. You can use those one, and safe academic nouns. You can use free. You should know note down the like wrong spelling, one mark on if you one spelling mistake. Avoid difficult word. Use American spelling, not British one. Don't write long word if unsure. So writing too long sentence, using past sentence, copying spelling style, adding personal opinion. So that type of common mistake some students are doing in the SST. So here is some examples. So I wanna show you some uh sentence here where you can use full stop, capital letter, full stop, or spellings. So how you can use which. So here is an example. Before which you should always use comma because no need comma. And in the contrast information, you have to use while. No need to comma. So, and if you note down two things, so you have to no need to use any comma before the end. But if you use more than two or three things, then you have to use comma. Uh, like if I note down, uh, government should focus on education, comma, hospital system, comma, and any other things like transportation. So we have to use comma. Use comma before which is to add result or explanation. The lecture explain online education, comma, which improve global access. So you can read or write because I have used many things here. So which type of common mistake you should avoid? Like here. The lecture explain climate change, comma, it affects the environment. Two sentence joined wrongly. So correct is here. The lecture explain climate change and its effects on the environment. If you use here and, so here you can see here is no comma and here is comma, but here is and. But here its effects on the environment. So the lecture explain education, technology, comma and growth, and then comma and which. So that type of sentence are risky for SST. So you can't use. So lecture explain, you can see here, and this is the correct. The lecture explain education and technology. So one sentence, one comma, and clear result. So here is one comma, clear result. There is no comma, and if you write two things, so no need to use comma. So you can see and note down this type of example. This can boost your score in SST. So what is the wrong and what is the right? I have mentioned everything with the examples. So where is wrong, where is right, you can see. And thank you so much for watching my whole video.